need some manpower. So who will do that? You people will do that. So your positions will increase in parallel. So that is the main beauty of this business. That is the main business beauty of your professions. So this profession is ever challenging the things. And if you feel the thrill, like today you are checking likes. If you are searching anything like T-shirt, T-shirt store in Kolkata. If you are searching T-shirt store in Kolkata, then you can see that maybe you are working with one website that is in number 5 positions in first place. The main beauty is tomorrow, if you come down in your PC and you are searching the same things, it is not 100% confirmed that your size will be in that similar place. Maybe in night also. In morning you check that you are in your 5. In night you check you are not in maybe in the second place, maybe in third place, maybe you are in the top. So that is the beauty of this chain. That is the beauty of this industry. That is the beauty of this technology. Yes. Why it is? It can go up, means in top. Why it is going in the down? It depends on your activities. How you are doing the activity. Because this is a competition. This happens for the competition. This is so competitive. This is so interesting subject that every people are doing the things. And this is the business, something you are doing in these small places. Whatever you are doing, this is similar to a guy sitting over London in a small park and he is doing his jobs in the laptops. Maybe he is in front of swimming pool with a with a dashing lady and participating with different parts. And but he is continuing his jobs. Whatever he is doing and whatever you are doing is similar. So the business, the job is so interesting that whatever you are doing is similar to the guys are doing in London. Main difference? Why this is the things? Because if you are stopping, means you are in sleep. Okay, like say you can do the maximum 10 hours, 12 hours, but in your computer, maybe they are investing more, maybe they have 2 shifts, maybe they have 3 shifts. Some guys in working in the morning shifts, some guys in the afternoon, some guys in the evening, night. So they are around the clock, they are doing their activities. So they are doing activities more than you. So their size will be in their better positions. As much as you can promote your website, that much of response you can get.
But the ranking, who decides? Search engine decides?
Nobody decides actually. Ranking is coming up with your activities. Ranking depends on many factors. We will come up one by one. It is under our training sessions. Ranking depends on many factors. Like as I told you that depends on activities.
This means how we promote our site depends on
your activities.
Who decides that this site should be promoted upward? It should be.
Very nice question. Very nice question. Very nice question. Okay, very good. It's just one. I think it's not 1 month. It's just 15 days or 20 days. Just election is over. Okay. So in Modi is now in the Prime Minister positions. Okay. So in if I think on say Daman area. Okay. So the Bharata Boshu was one candidate. Gautam Ghosh is one candidate. And there is other states. Sorry, Gautam Dev. And I think if I am not wrong, other 4 or 5 candidates also compete in same assembly. So in these situations, so every people what they do, Gautam Dev also tried as much as he can. Means campaigning, in motivating team, in any way. Bharata Boshu also do a lot of things. Other guys also do the same. At the end of the day, Bharata Boshu won the game. Why? Because this is something how they do that decide by
People.
whom? People. Similarly, whatever you are doing, if that is attracting people, if that is attracting the links, that will give the winning hits. Yes.
Sir, we have promoted our sites on
Yes.
any matters, and
Yes.
then people want to search that for opening this site, and that's why we decide that our site is in which positions. So that who will count that which site is better search by?
Searching it.
See, every search engine has the, if you check the, I will come up one by one to that. This is just a starter things so that you can understand the whole scenario, how it is working out. So, usually the SEO, the full term is search engine. So search engine optimizations, okay? So search engine optimization, this SEO and search engine optimization is a process. It's a process to rank your website in a particular search engines with the method of organic search terms, organic activities. This is terms. It's a process. Search engine optimization is nothing but a process by whom you can increase your visibility or your authority so that your sites get ranked in a particular search engines for a particular key phrase or keywords or targeted terms. Okay? So if you are promoting BP Podda, BP Podda website, okay? So what they are doing? They are in education business, they are doing the BCA, they are doing the BTech, they are doing the MBA, okay? So their website must have that data included in their website. First criteria, okay? So if BP people are covering that, they are doing the BCA, so there must be informations there for the selection procedure for the BCA, how they will do, how the course will cover, means the total syllabus of the BCA, and the performance, after performance, what you people will be like that whole history will be covered in their websites. So that is related, okay, related to the BCA. So if some guys are searching BCA Institute in Kolkata, so is there t-shirt company website will correct? Are you satisfied for that? No, no. You will satisfied if BP Podda will come. If you satisfied, you can satisfied if Tasman will come, Edites will come, or the Techno India, because they are the guys who are providing the BCA course. So the site will be relevant according to you are searching. What you are searching. That is the beauty of searching. Getting my point? Okay. For these search engine optimizations, as I told you, this is a process.